started out as just a normal day working at the chip shop turned out to be a day that would change Narinda Siddi's life forever. Friday the 7th of November 2014, Mr. Siddi was at work. He was joined by his then 16-year-old daughter Simran, who was home from school. They had planned to go to the temple at 3 o'clock, but lost track of time.
3:15, my daughter goes as a customer in the shop. Who I thought was a customer. Who I thought was a customer. 3:15, my daughter goes as a customer in the shop. Customer. Who I thought was a customer. Who I thought was a customer. Who I thought was a customer. My daughter goes as a customer in the shop.
Working at the chip shop turned out to be a day that would change Narinda Siddi's life forever.
So I just took a step back from the counter and saw him leave the shop and come back in again, but we leave the shop in again, but I did remember that time I was saying to him, if you don't leave the shop, what your problem is, I can't help you.
The man left the shop again.
Back in again.
Returned a short time later. He kicked and smashed the door, setting off the fire alarm. Once again, he disappeared.
Saw him leave the shop.
As for damage, it was then the attacker struck. Stabbed multiple times. In just under 10 minutes, stabbed multiple times. In just under 10 minutes, stabbed multiple times. At 19 minutes opened, Chip stabbed, multiple opened, Chip under 10 minutes, Chip Queen Elizabeth Hospital. It's in those moments we believe
Seconds in my mind, similar calmness for the first few.
The man left the shop again.
Introducing Chip Shop from Ross. Fish and chips and Chip Shop carbon haddock fillets. Chip Shop fish cakes. Everything wrapped up from Ross.
resources and so that you can